Coding decoding, a topic of reasoning ability. In this video, I will try to take you to all variety of questions which are asked in competitive exams on this topic. Let us first understand what is coding. Coding is the method of transmitting information in the forms of codes or signals without it being known to the third person. The person who transmits codes or signals is called sender and the person who receives it is called receiver. If this is coding, then what is decoding? The transmitted codes or signals are decoded on the other side by the receiver for better understanding. This is called decoding. It is exactly reverse of coding. Most competitive exams have section of coding decoding in order to judge candidates' reasoning and mental ability. How to solve these questions? The steps are like this. Number one, have a keen observation on alphabets, numbers in actual and coded language. Then observe the sequence it follows. यानी ascending है कि descending order में है कि उसको reverse कर दिया है, like that. Then detect the rule that alphabet or number follows. And finally, fill the appropriate letter, number, symbol in the given blank. This is the general approach that we use to follow to solve a question of coding decoding. Let us have a look at the first variety where the coding is done by rearrangement of the letters. I will take a simple 5 alphabet word, say lemon, in which there are 5 letters L, E, M, O and N. Now how this particular word can be coded in a question? The first type is reversing it. So lemon का अगर reverse करे तो it can be NOMEL. The second variety is writing it in a alphabetical ascending order. This can be another way of coding. So if we write it in ascending order, सबसे पहले E आएगा, बाद में L आएगा, बाद में M, N and finally O. जैसे ascending हो सकता है वैसे coding का another way हो सकता है descending order. So descending will be like this: O N M E M L E. Then odd even, यानी कि writing the letters which are in odd position, which are L and M and N, and then the letters in the even position, that is E and O. So this can be another way of coding. जैसे odd even है वैसे even odd भी हो सकता है, like this. Another way is first writing the vowels and then consonants. So which are the vowels here? E is a vowel and O is a vowel. So first writing vowels and then consonants. Another way can be first writing the consonants and then vowels. So these are all variety which are coming under coding by rearrangement of letters. Okay, वही letters है बस उसको rearrange किया गया है. So on this variety questions can be formulated. Let us have a look at some questions. The first problem I am putting in front of you. In a certain code, the word private is coded like this, then how the word present is written as. So how to solve this question? सबसे पहले आपको original word private लिखना है and below that उसका coded word उसके exactly नीचे लिखना है like this, right? Now what we see, actual word और coded word में alphabets are same, only some rearrangement is done. Now with this rearrangement we need to identify the logic. What is the logic? Yes, the letters are arranged in alphabetically ascending order. A से चालू करके V पे end किया गया है. It is starting from A and it is ending on V. So it is arranged in alphabetically ascending order. So accordingly, the word present का coding कैसा होगा? It will be option B. Next question. In a certain code, imperial is coded like this, then how the word kingdom will be coded? Okay, so the method is like this. First of all, we write the original word imperial like this, और उसके exactly नीचे हमको उसका coded word लिखना है. हर अल्फाबेट के नीचे उसका corresponding अल्फाबेट आना चाहिए like this. Okay, now we see that imperial में जो भी अल्फाबेट्स है are same appearing in its coded word. ओके, कोई नया अल्फाबेट नहीं ऐड हुआ है. सो हियर वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द लॉजिक. वेल, द लॉजिक इज वॉवेल्स आर रिटन फर्स्ट एंड देन कॉन्सोनेंट्स ऑल इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सबसे पहले वॉवेल्स आ गए और बाद में कॉन्सोनेंट्स आ गए. सो अकॉर्डिंगली द वर्ड किंगडम में आपको पहले वॉवेल्स आइडेंटिफाई करने पड़ेंगे, वो लिखने पड़ेंगे इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड देन कॉन्सोनेंट्स इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो किंगडम का कोडेड वर्ड होगा like this, which is option C. Okay, in a certain code, if instrument is coded like this, then how the word person is coded? So we write the original word instrument like this, और उसका जो coded word है we write exactly below it. Now we see that whatever alphabets are there in the word instrument are same appearing in its coded word. So some kind of rearrangement is done. Now what kind of rearrangement is there? You can think, you can pause this video and try the question on the paper, and once you have tried, you can again resume the video to look for the solution. Okay, so here we must notice that there is no ascending descending order or vowel consonants or reversing or like that. This doesn't work here. Something else is done here. सबसे पहले कोडेड वर्ड में आई लिखा है जो यहां पर है, बाद में टी लिखा है, बट टी इज हियर इन द एंड और हियर समवेयर, then n is appearing. Okay, one n is here, one n is here. So what is the logic here? Logic is something like this: I and t are first written, then second word from the beginning and second letter from the beginning and second letter from the end are taken here, then third letter from the beginning and third letter from the end are taken here, fourth letter from beginning and fourth letter from the end, and finally ru. This is how the word is coded. ITNNSETMRU. So with this same logic, now we need to code the word person. So obviously it will be coded like option B, PNEORS. So these are the all variety of questions which can be asked under alphabet rearrangement. Okay, now let's go to the next variety of questions. Coding by addition or subtraction. Again I take the same 5-letter word called lemon. The very first thing, constant term addition, यानी कुछ तो भी प्लस करना और नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट लिखना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेमन में अगर मैं +1 करता हूं तो एल के बाद अल्फाबेट में एम आता है, ई के बाद एफ आता है, एम के बाद एन आता है, ओ के बाद पी आता है एंड एन के बाद ओ आता है. सो इफ वी आर डूइंग +1 +1 +1, the coded word of lemon will be something like this. This is called constant term addition. इस वजह से कोडिंग किया जाता है. The second is increasing addition term. जैसे यहाँ पर +1 किया है तो ये addition term जो है वो constant न रहते हुए it can be in a increasing order like this. So it is +1 +2 +3 +4 and +5. So accordingly the coded word will be something like this. जैसे एडिशन टर्म इंक्रीज हुआ है, इन अ सेम वे द एडिशन टर्म कैन बी रिड्यूसिंग आल्सो लाइक दिस, डिक्रीजिंग एडिशन टर्म. सो द ओरिजिनल वर्ड लेमन को आप इस तरह से कोड कर सकते हैं बाय +5 +4 +3 +2 +1. यहां पर एडिशन टर्म कम होते जा रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली द कोडेड वर्ड विल बी लाइक दिस. सो एडिशन के भी 3 सब टाइप्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू. इट कैन बी कांस्टेंट टर्म एडिशन, इट कैन बी इंक्रीजिंग टर्म एडिशन, and it can be decreasing term addition. So in a similar way subtraction के भी यही 3 सब टाइप्स हो सकते हैं. The very first, constant term subtraction. For example, I am doing -1 -1 -1 and the coded word will be like this. L के पहले K आता है, E के पहले D आता है, M के पहले L आता है, O के पहले N आता है और N के पहले M आता है, like this. So next is increasing subtraction term. So -1 -2 -3 like this, and this will be what coded word will be. Okay, जैसे E के 2 अल्फाबेट पहले जाए तो C आता है, M के 3 अल्फाबेट पहले J आता है, like that. Or it can be decreasing subtraction term, -5 -4 -3 -2 -1. Okay, this can be the way of coding. सो एडिशन के 3 टाइप्स है, कांस्टेंट टर्म एडिशन, इंक्रीजिंग टर्म एडिशन एंड डिक्रीजिंग टर्म एडिशन। वैसे ही सब्सट्रैक्शन के भी 3 टाइप हो गए, कांस्टेंट टर्म सब्सट्रैक्शन, इंक्रीजिंग टर्म सब्सट्रैक्शन एंड डिक्रीजिंग टर्म सब्सट्रैक्शन। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज alternate add subtract. For example, I am doing plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 in the word lemon. So L plus 2 is N, E minus 2 is C, M plus 2 is O, like that. Okay. So ये हो गया addition subtraction doing in an alternate way, or it can be also done in another way like this. So minus plus तो alternate way में है, but increasing order में है, -1 +2 -3 +4 like this. So this can be also another variety which can be asked in addition subtraction. Okay, now let's have a look at some sample questions. In a certain code, if poultry is coded like this, then how is the word relation coded in the same language? So सबसे पहले आपको ओरिजिनल वर्ड को लिख लेना है पोल्ट्री, उसके कोडेड वर्ड को एग्जैक्टली उसके नीचे लिखना है एज लाइक दिस. नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द लॉजिक. यहां पर जो ओरिजिनल वर्ड है पोल्ट्री और जो उसका कोडेड वर्ड है उसमें अल्फाबेट चेंज हो गए हैं. अगर अल्फाबेट चेंज हो गए हैं तो वी शुड नॉट अप्लाई द लॉजिक ऑफ रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ अल्फाबेट लाइक असेंडिंग, डिसेंडिंग, वॉवेल, कॉन्सोनेंट, रिवर्स एक्सेट्रा. Definitely we need to apply the logic of addition or subtraction now. Okay, so what logic can be applied here? It is +1 +2 +3 +4 like this. So in a similar way, now the code word of relation will be by the same logic is this, that is option B. Next question. In a certain code, if required is coded like this, then which of the following is coded as important? Well, you can write the original word require and its coded word exactly below it, and you try to identify the logic from this by pausing this video, and then you can again resume the video to look for the solution. Okay, so the logic is something like this: +2 -2 +2 -2 means alternately adding and subtracting. So if we go with the word important and if we start with +2, it will start with K as a coded word, but चारों ऑप्शन अगर हम देखते हैं तो कोडेड वर्ड में K कहीं नहीं है. So obviously we have to start with -2 then +2, and this is the coded word for important, which is option C. Next problem. In a certain code, if the word chlorate is written like this, then how is the word phosphate written in that code? Well, we write the original word chlorate like this और उसका coded word exactly below it. You can pause this video and try the question on the paper, and once you have solved it, you can again resume the video to look for the solution. Okay, so what we see by the logic of addition subtraction, it is something like this: +1 -2 +3 -4 means alternate add subtract in this fashion. So the word phosphate by the same logic can be written as like this, which is option D. Another question. In a certain code, if maximum is coded like this, then how is the word approximate coded? Well, we write the original word maximum और उसका coded word उसके नीचे लिखते हैं. Well, you can try this question, but you will observe that addition or subtraction directly यहाँ पर work नहीं करता है. Okay, you can do alternate addition subtraction also, increasing decreasing order also, but it won't work here. A slight modification we need to do, and then we need to apply the logic, because directly addition subtraction यहाँ काम नहीं कर रहा है, it will work indirectly. How? सबसे पहले ये जो मैक्सिमम वर्ड है उसको अपने को रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा like this, and after reversing the word maximum, then you can very well apply some logic. So it is very clear that m plus 1 is n, u plus 1 is v, m plus 1 is n, I plus 1 is j. Now plus 1 का लॉजिक यहाँ वर्क करता है. So like this questions are asked in competitive exam also, जहां पर आपको थोड़ा सा indirect way से addition subtraction apply करना पड़ेगा. So accordingly the word approximate, you need to reverse it and then you need to apply the logic of plus 1. So the answer for this question will be option A. We come to the next variety where coding is done by mirror image of letters. So there are total 26 letters starting from A to Z, which is written like this. I draw a partition line after 13 letters exactly between M and N like this. Now there are some 13 letters on the left side and 13 letters on the right side. How the coding is done? I take a word say Oman. So uska code hoga LNZM. How this comes? Now if I take the letter O, which is at the second position after the partition line on the right side. So the second letter after the partition side on the left side will be L. So O ka code L ho gaya. Now I take the letter M, which is exactly after the partition line on the left side. So uska code hoga N, mirror image. Now I take the word letter A, which is at the extreme end on the left side. So the letter on the extreme end on the right side is Z. So A ka code ho gaya Z. Accordingly N ka M. So this is how coding is done by mirror image. So how now the coding for the word Taiwan will be done? Well, सबसे पहले आता है T. So T का mirror image क्या रहेगा? T का mirror image रहेगा G. I का रहेगा R. W का D. A का mirror image Z रहेगा and N का mirror image M रहेगा. So this is how the coding is done by mirror image of letters. This can be another variety in coding decoding. Let's try out one question. In a certain code, if the word pressure is coded like this, then how the word solution is written in that code? So these are the letters. We draw the partition line after 13 letters and pressure ka code is given here like this. So accordingly we can identify P is at the third position after the partition line. So accordingly K is at the third position. So P ka K ho gaya. R is at the fifth position after the partition line. So I is also here at the fifth position before the partition line like this. So when we apply this logic of mirror image, जहां पर rearranging of alphabet work नहीं करता, even addition subtraction का भी logic work नहीं करता, at that time we apply the logic of mirror image. So accordingly solution का भी आप निकाल सकते हो and it will be option C. Next variety is coding by letter value. Now there are total 26 letters and every letter has got some value starting from 1 up to 26. जैसे कि A का value 1 है, B का 2 है, C का 3 है, D का 4 है, like this up to Z, which is having a value 26. Now the questions can be asked in this variety like this. If the word cat is coded as 24, then how the word rat is coded? So cat का कोड अगर नंबर 24 है तो ये कैसे आया? So that will be nothing but letter value. जैसे C का वैल्यू 3 है, A का वैल्यू 1 है और T का वैल्यू 20 है. So we can add this as 3 plus 1 plus 20, which comes out to be 24. Similarly, now we can answer what is the code for the word rat. So R का code is, we can see here 18, A का 1 है और T का 20 है. So if we add these three numbers, the total comes out to be 39. So this is the way of coding. Another method is like this. If the word time is coded as 16, the word scale is coded as 25, then how the word eraser is coded? Now what logic we can identify here is, this is a perfect square 16. This is also a perfect square, 25. 16 is a square of 4 and this is a 4 letter word. 25 is a square of 5 and this is a 5 letter word. So accordingly eraser is a 6 letter word जिसका obviously code होगा 36. Okay, so this can be also a type of questions which can be asked. Let us try out some examples. In a certain code, if cat is equal to 27, tiger is equal to 125, then what is the value of buffalo? Well, you can easily identify the logic here now. Cat is a 3-letter word and we know that 3 cube is 27. Tiger is a 5-letter word and 5 cube is 125. So buffalo is a 7-letter word जिसका code होगा 343. So option D is a right answer. Next, in a certain code, if economic is equal to 56 and efficiency is equal to 90, then what is the value of management? Now you need to think about the logic here because 56 or 90 are neither perfect squares or perfect cube. Okay. After thinking, we can establish the logic here that it is n square minus n pattern. For example, the word economic, which is a 8-letter word, उसका code 56 आ रहा है, so we are doing 8 square minus 8. Secondly, the word efficiency, which is a 10-letter word, उसका logic यही apply करके आता है, that is 10 square minus 10, that is equal to 90. Now the word management, which is again a 10-letter word, so उसका code होगा 10 square minus 10, that is again 90. So option C is a right answer. So like this, the questions are asked. So I will take you to some miscellaneous coding questions also. For example, in a certain code, if shell is coded as 23526, test is coded as 1615, pen is coded as 597 and tap is coded as 189, then how is the word health coded? So here we need to write down the words and its appropriate coding numbers like this. Now for every alphabet, we need to identify the correct number how it is coded. So these are the alphabets which are used in these 4 words. Which are those? L, T, H, E, S, P, N, A. No doubt, किसी word में कोई alphabet double repeat भी हो रहा है. So now we need to identify the code. Let us start with the word shell. इसमें double L use हुआ है और उसके coding में double 2 use हो रहा है. इसका मतलब L का code 2 रहेगा. Now we take the second word test, जिसमें double T है और उसके कोड में डबल 1 आ रहा है. इसका मतलब T का कोड 1 रहेगा. Now if we look at this test and pen, E is the common letter and उसके कोड में common number is 5. इसका मतलब E का कोड 5 रहेगा. Now if we look at the word pen and tap, P is the common letter here और यहां पर common क्या है? 9. So P का कोड 9 रहेगा. Now similarly we can establish the code of S, N and A. N का रहेगा 7 because P का हो गया, E का हो गया. So N is only left in the word pen जिसका कोड obviously 7 रहेगा. Then A का रहेगा 8 because we know what is the code for T, we know what is the code for P. So A का रहेगा 8. Accordingly S का रहेगा 6. अब बचता है H. H के लिए कोई और नंबर नहीं है other than 3. So for every letter we identify the corresponding coded number. Now here it is asked how the word health is coded. So we know what is the code number for H, code number for E, A, L, T, etc. So यहां पर वो सारे नंबर्स आने चाहिए जो इन अल्फाबेट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर is covering all these numbers, that is option C, 358213. So these are the miscellaneous category of questions asked in coding decoding. Next, In a certain code language, divider is called compos, compos is called set square is called scale is called protector is called eraser, then which is used to measure length in that language? This is very simple. When we want to measure length, obviously we use scale, and scale is called protector. So scale is used to measure length, and in that language scale is called protector. So the answer for this question will be option B, protector. So this is very simple question in miscellaneous category. So I have tried to cover all variety of questions which can be asked in coding decoding in your competitive exam, but still I say that there can be another questions apart from this which can be asked in competitive exam. So you please try some additional questions from any reasoning ability book. Thank you for watching this video.